Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Globally Mag. This is your own host Captain Wolf, and we have come up with yet another interesting video. And in today's video we are going to learn how to edit any picture online with an online tool, basically, which is a website, Edit.Photo. So in case if you want to do some little bit of tweaks with your picture and you want to do it just on the go, then this is the best solution for you that you can utilize. So before we proceed with our video, if this is the first time that you have come to my channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification icon so that whenever we upload any new video, you get notified about it. And do not forget to share your feedback as well. So let's proceed further. So, how to edit any picture online? Well, if you are wondering that how you can do how you want to do a little bit of tweaking with your picture, how you want to proceed with your picture. So this is the website Edit.Photo. If you want to do a little bit of tweaking with your image and you want a website that can help you with that, then Edit.Photo is the best possible solution for that. You do not need to have any kind of account with them. You do not need to buy anything or purchase anything. The website is very easy to use. All you need to go do is just go to edit.photo, and this website will appear in front of you. And as you can see, no login requirement, no account creation requirement. So very easy to use. All you need to do is either you can select photo from your laptop or you can just drag and drop any picture on the website. So here I'm going to drag the picture and I've dragged this picture on the website. As you can see that my picture has come up. This is the picture that I just want to edit, and as you can see that as a basic editor, as an online tool, as an online free tool to want to add to just so again this is a picture, and if you're wondering if you want to edit your picture and do a little bit of tweaking, this is the best place for you. As you can see that I have just uploaded this picture and immediately I am providing with an options to either rotate it. There are many options available for us to do tweaking with our picture. As you can see that as soon as I uploaded the picture, I can immediately do tweaking of rotation. I can rotate the picture, rotate left, right, whenever I want. I can flip the picture. As you can see that it's very easy to do. I can crop the shape. I have the frames available. I can easily drag and drop the frame as well and can do it according to my own needs as and when as and when I require it. So moving further with what other tools are available with this online feature, well, we have the filter option and we can choose to filter our picture. As you can see that there are different filters available and you can decide among various filters and can choose whatever filter you want. So a very easy to do a thing. Similarly, you have other things like brightness, contrast, saturation, and gamma and other things. You can also do annotate as well. Similarly, you can add in some different annotations. You can add in your text mark. You can just write whatever text you want. So you can insert the shape as and what you want. So moving further, you are given with options of frames. You can choose different frames for your pictures and you can choose among these frames and deem whichever is feasible to you. Similarly, you have the react option and in the last you have the resize option so that you can resize your picture according to whatever pixel you want. So if you are wondering that how to resize your picture online, then here it is. You can use the Edit.Photo website to resize your picture as well and give the specification as much as you want and it will be done accordingly. So this is how easy it is to use this online tool. And when you are done with editing your picture and doing the tweaks that you want to do, then all you need to do is go to the export button And in the export button, you are provided with different options such as JPEG, WebP, and PNG. And then you are given with the option of how much the image quality you want to maintain it. So JPEG is excellent, PNG is also good. WebP is the latest web format which gives you a high resolution picture with low size. So you can get a high resolution in very low size. You have an option to download the picture. You can download it, click the download icon, and the picture will be downloaded. You can easily copy the picture will be copied on your clipboard, and you can easily move among different software application and you can easily paste your picture over there. So just move into the next slide. Let me just delete these things and just hit the paste icon. You can see that the picture which I edited on the website is pasted over here. So this is how easy it is to edit and do a little bit of tweaking with the website. So even if you want to resize your image, this is the best place to go to. So in the last, again, I will come back and show it to you how easy it is to use it. You just need to visit this website. You need to just upload your picture. You will be given with all these options. You can choose whatever option you want, and then you can export your picture according to your needs. And this is how easy it is to use this online website tool. So coming back to our channel. So today we learn how to edit any picture online with Edit.Photo. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell notification icon. And do not forget to share your feedback with us. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do share your feedback. Thank you and take care.